good morning. Asa na si Josh? Yo. Bro, good morning. Anong nangyari?
Hindi ko alam. Basag na basag ako, pre.
Ano, simulan natin party. Pakita na natin sa kanila.
Ano, papakita mo lahat?
Oo. Ba't tayo dumating sa punto na to?
Huwag mo lagyan ng filter, ha? Sagad, sige, ibigay mo sa kanila yan.
Unfiltered. Takpan mo na.
Ano bang Halloween party to, di ba?
Oo.
Pre, naalala ko min sinendan ako ng 50k kagabi.
Naalala ko din yun. Kasi ayaw mo lang siya umalis.
Ayaw, umalis. Sinendan ako ng 50k. Sino ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Si Kay yata. Si Kay ba yun? Hindi.
Basta, tingnan nyo na lang kung sino yun. Matapos na.
One thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. And I swear I got it that make these go insane. So they tell me that they love me, I know better than that. It's just game, it's just what comes with the fame. And I'm ready for that, I'm just saying.
Nasa inuman kami ngayon. Ayaw kong pauwiin yung tropa ko. Bawal umuwi. Bibigyan ko na lang Gcash para hindi umuwi. Putang ina. Ayaw may umuwi tropa. Huwag ka umuwi ha. Ito yan ha. 50k para hindi umuwi. Putang ina. Oh, yan laman ng Gcash ko ha. Pag nadagdagan yan, di ako umuwi. Oh! 50k. Huwag ka lang umuwi. Ganyan. Oh. Oh! 50k pare. Huwag lang umuwi. Fucking 1,000 pare. Hindi uwi. Hindi uwi. Huwag ka uwi. Hindi uwi.
I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel.
Guys, kakarating ko lang dito sa party natin. Have our party here. Set up ako ng party para sa gang, para sa circle of friends ko lang. Ito yung lugar, this is the place. Yeah, mag-enjoy kami tonight. Samahan nyo kami. Magiging very wild party to. Spent $500,000 for this event. Kasi gusto ko lang mag-Halloween kasama yung mga kaibigan ko. Samahan nyo kami.
Party is going! Sabi!
Gagawin saya. Na-excite ako, ang saya nito. Ang mga pupunta, lahat. Social boy, mga tropa ko, crypto boys, KCO, friends, yung family, lahat. Napunta ko kasi gusto ko yung energy na mag-Halloween party kami. Minsan lang kami mag-enjoy, minsan lang kami magsaya. Kaya tayo magpapahirap. So we spend on things like this just for the people around us to have fun. Para maging masaya lang sila. And makapag-bonding tayo together. So KCO Marketing, Social Boys, Crypto Boys, all friends na malapit sa akin pupunta ngayon. Maya mag-red carpet kami dyan sa gitna. Karampa kami. Abangan niyo yung mga costume nilang lahat.
I can tell who's on the way out. 25 show, check the payout. I ain't going home, I'ma stay out. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. Yeah, she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now. I got a Dallas and a H-Town boo. Got a baddie out in Cape Town too. Whole gang eat steakhouse food. Get the check, I ain't checking what it came out to.
Let the party begin!
Who the hand the envelope to? Big John got the cash and he been the go-to. Heard the beat told Nicky put it in the Pro Tools. Got a fountain on the chain and it's indigo blue. Might fuck around and get a gold tooth. I'm a restaurant goer, never been a Whole Foods. She gon' listen to the song, say this shit a whole mood. I'm in the mountains out west on a tour bus texting a chick I used to mess with. Got her in the bed doing video shoots. Tried to send one to me but it didn't go through.
Kinuha natin tong event na to kasi this is energy. Naniniwala ba kayo sa energy? Yes, mahalaga yan. Energy is the currency. Pag mataas ang energy mo, makukuha mo lahat ng gusto mo. November 1 na. Pare, November 1 na, undas na. Pumunta kayo ng sementeryo ngayon. Guys, yun lang. Magpa-party tayo ngayon. Okay, enjoy the night. Okay, cheers to the wounds that never heals. Partying like rock stars, to living like movie stars, and to fucking like porn stars. Hey. Okay, cheers!
Stuck it in, damn, that almost made me pre-cum. I let her give me some advice like I need some. Booked up, tell a dumb bitch read some. I'm anointed, I'm the boss. I done came out of pocket so much, you thought that I was disjointed. They pointed me towards your disc, I'm disappointed. My ex treat me like I ain't there. What happened to the feelings and love that we still share? Just like the girls who got my name tatted and covered up, I know deep down, under the surface, it's still there, still
she
there.
gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now. I can tell who's on the way out. 25 show, check the payout. I ain't going home, I'ma stay out. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. And she gon' let me hit it any day now.
Para sa kaalaman niyong lahat, dahil mayaman tayo, ayaw natin makapagsiksikan sa palas. Kumuha ako ng waiter doon. From Clubhouse, pare. Kanina, pagpasok ko dito, tinanong ko may table daw ako. James, pare, sino ka dyan?
Server mo.
Server ko, pare. Bigyan mo ng patron si Bianca. Yan! Yeah!
Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel.
Anong motto mo sa buhay?
Motto ko?
Bawal ang tamad. Tangina ka. Oy, palo!
And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom in the trees, you know how I feel. I'm feeling